Hi everyone. Today, we're going to be discussing one of the most exciting and rewarding endeavors you can embark on, starting a business. Whether you're just starting to consider the idea or you're already in the planning stages, this video is here to help guide you through the process. Step 1. Find your idea. The first step to starting a business is finding an idea. It can be anything from a product or service that solves a problem to a passion project you've always wanted to pursue. Take some time to brainstorm and do your research to ensure that your idea is both unique and in demand. Step 2. Create a plan. Once you have your idea, it's time to create a business plan. This will outline your vision, goals, target market, and how you plan to make money. Your business plan will be your roadmap as you move forward, so it's important to take your time and create a solid plan. Step 3. Raise funds. Starting a business often requires a significant amount of funding. You may choose to seek investment from friends and family, apply for a loan, or consider crowdfunding. It's important to have a solid plan for how you'll use the funds and how you'll pay them back. Step 4. Build your team. No entrepreneur can do it alone. Surround yourself with talented and motivated individuals who share your vision and can help bring your business to life. This can include employees, advisors, or contractors. Step 5. Launch and grow. With your team in place, it's time to launch your business and start growing. Stay focused on your goals, be adaptable and open to change, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities to expand and improve. Step 6. Establish your brand. Your brand is your company's identity, and it's important to establish it early on. This includes creating a logo, website, and social media presence that represents your business and appeals to your target market. Step 7. Understand your legal requirements. Before launching your business, it's important to understand the legal requirements involved. This can include registering your business, obtaining necessary licenses and permits, and setting up your business structure, e.g. sole proprietorship, LLC, etc. Step 8. Manage your finances. Effective financial management is crucial to the success of any business. This includes setting up a bookkeeping system, tracking expenses, and understanding your cash flow. It's also important to have a clear understanding of your business's financials in order to make informed decisions. Step 9. Market your business. Marketing your business is essential to reaching your target audience and growing your customer base. There are many different ways to market your business, including online advertising, social media, and events. Experiment with different strategies to find what works best for your business. Step 10. Never stop learning and improving. The business world is constantly changing, and it's important to stay on top of trends and innovations in your industry. Attend workshops, conferences, and networking events to stay up to date and continue to improve your business. Starting a business can be a challenging but rewarding journey. With a solid plan, the right team, and a lot of hard work, the possibilities are endless. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of the steps involved in starting a business, and we wish you the best of luck on your entrepreneurial journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful content like this.